Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Corn token. Now the Corn token is a meme coin on the Ethereum blockchain. This token just got a huge central exchange listing starting today. It is live now on a very big central exchange. Name of the token is Corn, ticker symbol is also Corn, and we're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here, the Corn token. So you can find this token on Etherscan. If you're looking for the price and the chart and all the statistical info, you can find it also on DEX Tools and DEX Screener. They have the chart and everything up there. Now this token so far has 1,095 holders. There's 3 different liquidity providers on Uniswap. They have a market cap right now of $5.9 million, and that's also their fully diluted valuation. They have $459,000 worth of liquidity in Uniswap, and according to DEX Screener, 90.7% of the total liquidity is locked and burned. They have a 24-hour trading volume of $186,000. And this token pair was actually created 2 months, 13 days ago. So it's not a brand new token, but it is getting some brand new big central exchange listings. So just today, this token here got listed November 26, 4 a.m. UTC time. This token got listed on a big central exchange called Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there. Open an account. Fund your account with USDT. Go into the trade section and search Corn. And then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So this token here, they have a Twitter that I'm going to put in the corner of the screen here as usual, so you guys can easily find this project. They have a blue verified check mark. It is at Corn_token 2,111 tweets. It says, "It's Corn, the national Thanksgiving turkey and bull run bird." So this is named after, I guess, a real bird that they use as a Thanksgiving mascot, except now he has a Bitcoin hat on. And they have their Telegram link there as well at Corn Token ETH. Just joined August 2024 on Twitter, 2,236 Twitter followers. And if you go into their pinned tweet here, you're going to find a link to their CoinMarketCap listing, DEX Tools listing. It says the Bull Run and Bitcoin mascot back to ignite the bull run and make our bags great again, just like he did in 2020. So on that link tree, if you go over there, you're going to find the website, Twitter, Telegram, CoinMarketCap, DEX Tools, DEX Screener, and Medium articles as well. So lots of links all over the place here for this project. They did have a Kickstarter event yesterday for this token as well. Looks like they have a couple different articles on Medium. One of them is called Corn Token, a fresh bite on crypto, and the other one is called Corn Token, the introduction, the meme revolution. So 2 different articles there that you could check out. Their Telegram here at Corn Token ETH. Has 492 subscribers. You could preview the channel before joining, but that's going to be another great place to see updates regarding this project, like new token listings, new partnerships, announcements, updates, memes, all that good stuff. They also have all the links on their webpage that you could check out. So it says, Corn is the bull run bird, Bitcoin mascot. Trump saved Corn's life at the start of the last bull run, and the Corn token launched at the start of this one. Sell fiat, buy Corn. So it says 0% taxes, 1 billion total supply, liquidity pool burnt immutable. So basically, there's MEXC Global for central exchanges. You can get it off of there. If you want to get this token off a decentralized exchange, you could download a wallet that could store Ethereum tokens like a Coinbase wallet, MetaMask wallet, or Trust wallet. You can get them from the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, or get a Chrome extension on your PC. Then you would fund your wallet with ETH. Now, you could fund your wallet with ETH from a central exchange, and there is a list of central exchange links that you could use down there in the description box. And yeah, after you fund your wallet with ETH, go into the dApps. You would find Uniswap, and then you would trade your ETH for the Corn token using the contract address you could find in any one of those links there, like CoinMarketCap, Dex Tools, etc. in their pinned tweet there, real easy to find, or in their webpage, anything on the link tree there. Just make sure you have the right contract address. You won't have to set slippage because it says 0% taxes, but you will have to pay a some gas fees. So there's going to be gas fees off of Uniswap. So it says Corn isn't just another meme token. It's a symbol of Bitcoin's bold rise, embodying the unstoppable force that drives the crypto revolution. Corn is here to push markets forward, disrupt outdated systems, and show the world what it means to thrive in a decentralized age. The crypto-savvy turkey on a mission. Corn was more than just a turkey. I guess as the altcoin cycle surged, Corn was pardoned, marking the birth of a meme that would evolve into a symbol of a new financial revolution. So they have the whole story about this in their Medium article. Very, very lengthy story. I'm not going to go through this whole thing. Lots of funny memes too as you scroll through. So yeah, I do remember this story here about Trump saving one turkey. You know, whoa. But anyways, yeah, so go check this token out. Let me know in the comments down there. What do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.